we see a theorem of Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. The statement of theorem is, let a1 a2 up to an and b1 b2 up to bn be any real numbers, then a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus and so on an bn square is less than or equal to a1 square plus a2 square plus and so on an square into b1 square plus b2 square plus and so on bn square. Okay, this is we have to prove this inequality. Equivalently, this inequality can be written in the form of summation I running from 1 to n ai bi square is less than or equal to summation I running from 1 to n ai square into summation I running from 1 to n bi square. This notation is called as summation. Summation means sum. Summation I running from 1 to n. So this term is equivalently like this. Summation I running from 1 to n a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus and so on an bn square. This term is less than or equal. This term is equivalent to this term. This term is equivalent to this term. That is, summation is nothing but sum. So we have to prove this inequality. So let us start the proof. Suppose a1 square plus a2 square plus and so on plus an square is equal to 0. If a1 square plus a2 square plus and so on plus an square is equal to 0, if this sum is 0, okay, then which implies all the terms a1 a2 up to an are 0. सम केव्हा 0 होईल? जेव्हा प्रत्येक टर्म जर 0 असेल तरच त्यांची सम 0 येणार आहे. ओके, सो ॲज a1 square a2 square an square sum of these all terms is 0, then all the terms a1 a2 up to an are 0. Okay, that means the a1 square plus a2 square plus so on an is 0, then this term is RHS of this term is 0. If this term is 0, therefore b1 square plus b2 square plus bn square, this term is 0. Since value of this term is 0, 0 into something is 0, that means RHS is 0. And if a1 square plus a2 square plus so on an square is equal to 0, then a1 a2 up to n, all the terms are 0, that means LHS, that is a1 b1 a2 b2 an bn, this square is also 0. Since a1 a2 a3 all the terms are 0, okay, that means in this case we get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, if a1 square plus a2 square plus and so on n square is equal to 0, then we get a1 a2 up to n, all the terms are 0. If this 0, then RHS is 0. Since this term is 0, so multiplication is 0, and since a1 a2 up to n is 0, then the LHS is also 0. That means equality hold in this case when a1 square plus a2 square plus an square is equal to 0. If b1 square plus b2 square plus up to bn square is equal to 0, then we get the same equality. ओके, म्हणजे a1 स्क्वेअर प्लस a2 स्क्वेअर प्लस अँड सो ऑन n स्क्वेअर ही टर्म जरी 0 असली किंवा b1 स्क्वेअर प्लस b2 स्क्वेअर अप टू सो ऑन bn स्क्वेअर ही टर्म 0 असेल तरी दोन्ही वेळा आपल्याला 0 मिळणार आहे. नाउ लेट a इज इक्वल टू, वी टेक a is equal to square root of a1 square plus a2 square plus and so on an square, and capital B is equal to square root of b1 square plus b2 square plus and so on up to bn square. We take a is equal to this and b is equal to this. Now we apply the arithmetic mean and geometric mean equality, that is AMGM inequality, to the terms, two terms, a1 square upon a square and b1 square upon b square. Okay, arithmetic and geometric inequality, we learn this inequality in last lectures. What is that equality? Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is equal to a plus b upon 2 and geometric mean is square root of ab. Okay, so we apply this arithmetic mean geometric mean inequality to these two numbers, a1 upon a1 square upon a square and b1 square upon b square. So arithmetic mean of these two numbers is a1 square upon a square plus b1 square upon b square divided by 2, that is this 1 by 2 is greater than equal to multiplication of that two numbers, that's a square root, a1 square upon a square into b1 square upon b square raised to half. Square root means raised to half. Okay, like this याप्रमाणे लिहिले आपण a plus b by 2 is greater than equal to square root of AB. Square root of here A is A1 square upon A square and B is B1 square upon B square. Raised to half is the power of square root. Okay, so now square A1 square upon A square B1 square upon B square raised to half. स्क्वेअर केल्यावरती स्क्वेअर आणि स्क्वेअर रूट हे दोन्ही एकमेकांशी टर्म कॅन्सल होणार आणि काय टर्म फक्त शिल्लक राहील A1 B1 इंटू AB. Okay, so for this term A1 square upon A square plus B1 square upon B square we get here A1 B1 upon AB. Okay, similarly we get 1 by 2 A2 square upon A square plus B2 square upon B square is greater than equal to A2 B2 upon AB, and so on. For nth term we get half an square upon a square plus bn square upon b square, which is greater than equal to an bn upon ab. We adding these inequalities, we adding these n terms, we get adding LHS to LHS, RHS to RHS. So adding these n terms, taking half common from each term, we get half in bracket a1 square plus a2 square plus and so on an square upon a square plus b1 square plus b2 square plus and so on bn square upon b square. ह्या टर्मची आपण ॲडिशन केली, हाफ कॉमन काढला, a1 स्क्वेअर प्लस a2 स्क्वेअर प्लस अँड सो ऑन an स्क्वेअर अपॉन a स्क्वेअर प्लस या टर्मची सगळी ॲडिशन होणार b1 स्क्वेअर प्लस b2 स्क्वेअर प्लस अँड सो ऑन bn स्क्वेअर अपॉन b स्क्वेअर. दिस इज ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू इकडे RHSमधल्या प्रत्येक टर्मची ॲडिशन होणार, म्हणजे कोणाकोणाची A1 B1 अपॉन AB प्लस A2 B2 अपॉन AB अँड सो ऑन अप टू AN BN अपॉन AB. Okay, so we get this addition or this inequality. Okay, so adding this inequality we get ही आपल्याला इनइक्वॅलिटी मिळाली आहे. या इनइक्वॅलिटीवरून काय मिळेल बघा, हियर a1 स्क्वेअर प्लस a2 स्क्वेअर प्लस an स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू व्हॉट a स्क्वेअर. त्याला आपण काय म्हटलं आहे, a इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ, काय ॲझ्युम केलं आपण, a इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ, a इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ a1 स्क्वेअर प्लस a2 स्क्वेअर प्लस सो n स्क्वेअर. सो a इज इक्वल टू ना, ह्याची व्हॅल्यू आहे a इज इक्वल टू, सो ह्याचं स्क्वेअर केला हो ना, स्क्वेअर केला की काय म्हणा तुम्हाला a स्क्वेअर. सो फॉर दिस टर्म वी कॅन राईट a स्क्वेअर अपॉन डिनॉमिनेटरचा a स्क्वेअर. हियर अगेन b इज इक्वल टू square root of b1 square plus b2 square plus and so on bn square. So taking squaring we get b square upon b square. This a square upon a square cancel, b square upon b square is cancel. So 1 plus 1 that is 2. Okay, so these 2 is cancel with this 2 and remains only 1. That is 1 is greater than equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus an bn upon ab. Okay, so multiplying ab to that side we get AB is greater than equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus so on AN BN. But what is the value of AB? Value of A is root of A1 square A2 square up to AN square into B is square root of B1 square B2 square up to BN square is greater than equal to this term. Okay, so now squaring on both sides, दोन्ही साईडला स्क्वेअर केला आपण तर काय मिळणार आपल्याला इथे A1 स्क्वेअर प्लस A1 B1 प्लस A2 B2 प्लस an bn स्क्वेअर, याचा स्क्वेअर केला, दिस टर्म इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू, या टर्मचा स्क्वेअर केल्यावर स्क्वेअर आणि स्क्वेअर रूट कॅन्सल होईल. ओके, दॅट इज दिस लास्ट टर्म. दिस इज इक्वल टू समेशन ऑफ दिस ai bi स्क्वेअर. हियर a1 स्क्वेअर प्लस a2 स्क्वेअर टू an स्क्वेअर, दॅट इज समेशन ऑफ I रनिंग फ्रॉम 1 to n ai स्क्वेअर इंटू b1 square plus b2 square up to bn square, that is summation of I running from 1 to n bi square. So this we prove this inequality. This inequality is called as Cauchy-Schwarz inequality, and this equality is hold only if a1 square plus a2 square up to an square, this term is sum is equal to 0, or b1 square plus b2 square up to bn square, if this term is 0, then only this inequality is hold. Okay, so it is very important inequality. Remember this theorem and make practice of writing of this theorem. Okay.